Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a FanDuel account, okay? Register for FanDuel, really easy and simple. So on the FanDuel homepage, FanDuel.com, come and click on Join Sportsbook. And then that will redirect you to this page where you first have to go ahead and choose your state. Choose your state, and then they will ask you for more information, like enter your email, your username, and create a password. They just have to click on a sign up, okay? And then once you are signed up, you will have to verify your email. Then if you want to just log in, it's really easy and simple. Go here, click on a login. You come to this page right here, enter your email, enter your password, and then just click on login. Really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this video provided value to you, and if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. Turn on those bell notifications, guys, so you get notified of the next video, and I'll see you in the next one.